Beauty. My name is Brandy, and I do beauty unboxings, lifestyle things, low buy, no buy, pan challenge, at time hauls when I'm being mad. And I think that's about it. I do try to review at least one item, per unboxing. However, I'm starting something new. I'm actually going to grab things out of my unboxings and put them on prior to filming so I can show you the results. The eye look that I have on, if you like it, I will put a card above for my Try Beauty Box review. My blush is from that. The powder I'm wearing is from my BoxyCharm. I also will link these down below. This review is my August 2019 Macys Beauty Box. So this is a monthly beauty box that is $15 plus tax. So I pay $15.60, I believe. It is typically trial size, travel size, things like that, which isn't bad for the price frame. So you do get a kind of book of hows and whys and how it goes. And then also one of the coolest things that I like is you do get a $5 off coupon for beauty at Macy's. So if you are a all-time Macy's shopper, then that is something that is useful for you. I used to shop at Macy's all the time. I kind of just fell out of love with the store as the shifts in clothing brands happen, and I kind of found some old favorites that I just stuck with, like American Eagle and Express and things like that. So I honestly need to go back and kind of check out Macy's again. I really haven't shopped there on a regular basis in probably close to 10 years. But if we break into this bag, the first thing that I see is the Badescu facial spray in aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I actually have this in another set. I have it in the lavender, which I thought I would love because I love lavender. However, the smell is so strong that I literally use it at work all the time just to like use it up because I paid for it. So I'm curious how this one smells. Oh, this one's light. Okay, I could use this one. So I'm excited to try that. So that is $12 for an 8-ounce bottle. This is a 2-ounce, it says. So next thing I see is SK2, and I don't know if that's ski or what it is because I've seen this brand before but wasn't sure. This is a facial treatment mask, and it says, behind every great makeup look is even greater skin. Prep yours with the sheet mask infused with brand's moisturizing and nourishing Patira. $135 for 10 masks. Wear the sheet mask for 5 to 10 minutes or longer for more hydration. Okay, I would never pay that for sheet masks. That works out to $13.50 a sheet mask. Like, I'm irritated if I pay $5 for a sheet mask. So I will enjoy this ritzy mask and move on. So the next thing I see in here is perfume sample, and this is Oui by Juicy Couture. And this retails for 1.7 ounce is $85. So this is a fruity one. It says watermelon, lemon, and tuberose. I'm not sure I'm saying that right, but very sweet. It smells good. It's light. It's not super, like, I had a Juicy Couture perfume years ago that I loved. I absolutely, like, it was like my go-to. And every time I wore it, people around me sneezed. So I had to stop wearing it because it was just like I was making everybody allergic. Next thing I see is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Chaos. This is a bright blue. I'm actually wearing it on my lower waterline now. As I said, I did try on something from almost every box or every box. So this one is actually, I think it's $22, but this is a full one. So this bag cost me $15. And this, I believe, is $5 or $8 if you buy it in this size. This is $22. These two items paid for the, well, this boy paid for it. I mean, at $13.50, I mean, one more thing and you're good. Perfume sample and you're good. The next thing that I see is the cutest thing in the world. What is this? TonyMoly Mini Cherry Lip Balm. This retails for $10. And it doesn't say full size. It says, looks like it would be this size. So let me just get that sticker off real quick. This is so cute. And there was a safety seal in here. And it does look like that. It is so cute. I think that is so adorable. I definitely will be using that. So the last thing in here is actually from Tarte. And I didn't even know Macy sold Tarte. So that's, again, I haven't been there forever, so that's probably why. But Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Rose in Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in Rose. The Perfect Neutral Pink. This liquid lipstick is the long-lasting answer to everyday shade. And the full size retails for $20. This is just a really pale, like mauve-y pink. It's picking up, I think, on the camera more like a baby pink, but it's really just a mauve. So again, the box, if you use your coupon every single month, then you're actually only paying $10 for the box. If you don't, then you look for items that make it worth it. For me, the eyeliner definitely makes it worth it. I am in love with the 24/7 by Urban Decay's formula. I have red for my lips. I had green for my eyes. Now I have blue. So I need to get a violet because I just saw today that violet makes, or purples brings out hazel eyes. So I do need to get that. But I definitely think this box is worth it. There's definitely some things I am not a fan of Tarte lips at all. I probably will put this towards one of our contests, but these items I'm definitely going to use. This is the cherry and the eye pencil. This, because it's in the box, I'm going to use it, but I would never venture out to purchase anything that expensive. And then I do love my perfume samples. I actually keep like a vase on my vanity and I put them in there. And then I typically rotate 1 or 2 out every so often. And then this one, I would have never went and bought this, but it's definitely not something I'm against trying since I do like the formula of the other version, the lavender, but I don't care for the scent. So I hope if you like this video that you will click like and share on your social media. I hope that if you did like this video that you will subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. I do upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. And last of all, I hope you have a fantastic day.